name is Tiago, and today I'm going to be talking about a Brazilian favorite. So it's called Brigadeiro. Brigadeiro means brigadier. It's a sweet, it's a dessert, it's something that you do for birthdays, when you're feeling low or anything, whenever you want to eat it, you can have it. So all you need is a tin of condensed milk, you need some butter, and then you also need some chocolate powder. Usually I'll show you the ones that I use. So for the chocolate powder, I use Nesquik. In Brazil it's called something else, it's called Nescau, but this one will do. A tin of condensed milk that I already have open. You're gonna need a big knob of butter. So I have this butter here that I buy from a local dairy man. And you're gonna need also a bowl to put everything once it's already mixed. And I have a little bit of butter as well that I'm gonna coat it so I can put the brigadeiro inside. So brigadeiro, there's many ways of eating it as well. So you can eat it with a spoon, just when it's cooled down a little bit. You just eat it, out of the pan. You have to wait until it cools down a little bit, obviously. Or you can wait until it cools down. You put a little bit of butter in your hands, and then you roll in a little ball, and then you roll in chocolate sprinkles as well. That's how we eat it in birthday parties, for example. But let's get started. So I'm gonna I'm gonna turn the hob in the highest heat you have. I'm gonna get a huge knob of butter, and I'm gonna show you more or less that much. You put it there. And then just wait until it melts a little bit. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get, this is unsalted butter, but you can use salted butter or any butter you want. I always cook with real butter because it's better. So just put a little bit of butter here so it doesn't stick to the glass once you manage to cook it. It's almost like a chocolate fondant, and you see. And the best thing that we do, you can lick the spoon out of it once it's done as well, but be careful because it's super hot. But this is my favorite. If you're Brazilian, if you've ever been to Brazil, this is what we eat all the time, and it's delicious. You'll never find anything better than this. So let me grab a cloth. Here I am. So the butter is already melting. I'm gonna show you guys here. Look, this is my proper good butter. And you don't have to wait until the butter melts completely because it's gonna get super hot anyway. So I've got it there. So in the meantime, so if you haven't opened a tin of condensed milk, go ahead and open it. So this is the best brand that I use, but you can use any brand. I would probably use this one here because it's the closest one you're gonna get to the proper Brazilian. Make sure you be careful with your hands because of course the tin can cut you. So let's see how it goes. And the butter melting is delicious. Very good. So what I do, I just pour the condensed milk. I'll open the tin a little bit more. And it's impossible not to be licking your fingers. Sorry. Yeah. So from here, then I always leave a little bit so I can eat once I'm preparing. You're gonna need 2 heaped spoons of chocolate powder. I have 2 big ones. So, sometimes people like more chocolate, less chocolate. It's up to you. So, this is the rest. Yeah, what I like to do. This is the best part. So once everything is in, all you gotta do is stir. Stir, stir, stir. And it's funny because a lot of people like it so it needs to be very smooth. The original recipe is super smooth. The personal preferences of Brazilians or non-Brazilians, I like mine lumpy. So if you stop mixing for a little bit, it goes lumpy. So that's my personal favorite. Some people don't like it lumpy. So it's up to you. If you like it lumpy, stop mixing a little bit and then carry on, stop and carry on. If you don't like it lumpy, you need to be here for about probably 5 minutes and I'll show you how it should be. So you need to be able to see the bottom of the pan. So let me show you. So this is very liquid still, so you need to be stirring. So I'm gonna be showing you guys, so I've been stirring here for quite a while. So you come around, take a look and I'll show you how, when it's done. When you do that, and you see it's coming off completely of the pan like that. Or you can do this as well. When you do that, you can see, you see the bottom of the pan? That's when you know it's ready. And it's this consistency. See? And you see, once it's cooled down a little bit, it's even better. So from now here, there you go. I like to scoop everything. My mouth is watering. So this is for the kids or for the adults or anything. So this is when you let it cool down and then you can eat off of the spoon as well while the main bit keeps cooling off. So I'm gonna leave the pan here for now. I'm gonna keep my one there cooling, and this is the product. So this is how we're gonna let it cool down like this, and once it's cooled down, and then I'm gonna show you what you can do with it, or you can just eat it like that as well. So I'll see you in a little bit. So everyone, this is the time that we have been waiting. So it's been cooled down a little bit. So you can see it's like a chocolate fondant. So I'll leave this spoon here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in my hands, just so I'm able to roll it and it's not gonna be sticky. And this is if you wanna get it rolled, obviously. So what you do, you get a tiny little spoon. Get a little bit of the Brigadeiro, roll it up, make a little ball like that, and then I have the chocolate sprinkles here. Then you roll the chocolate sprinkles, so you can even do that. Usually what we used to do when I was younger, so the kids would be rolling that. So put a little bit of sprinkle in there, make sure sticks to it because it's still a little bit warm. So like that. Then it goes in the fridge to be a little bit harder. So let me do one more. So I'm gonna get a little bit here, make a little ball, then you put in the sprinkles, so you can get the sprinkles, put on top of it, roll it up like that. So any sprinkles, it can be unicorn sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, anything you want. Then you put it out like that. So this is delicious. Or if you want, you can do it like me. I like to eat it like that. So on a spoon, and just eat like that. So whichever way you like to eat it, it's amazing. You can put it in the fridge. It gets even harder. I like it as well, so I'm going to put this one in the fridge. You can have it with the sprinkles, without the sprinkles. It's up to you. It's delicious. Once you try it on, leave your comments down here for me. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I have a lot of videos in Portuguese and in English, so this is one of the English ones. And I hope you enjoy it. Bye.